Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, but most importantly, kindly remember to hit the bell sign. That will enable you to get notification whenever we upload a video. See something, say something, and do something. Whenever the secret whispers of a people turn to open whispers, the tyrant should know that his time is up. The poor masses of Nigeria have whispered a lot in secrets. In the just concluded election of Osun State in Nigeria, the people whispered openly. The tyrant was defeated. Come 2023 Nigerian general election, the people will just not only talk in open whispers, they will roar like a lion, and the tyrant will be gone. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video. Welcome to Open Whispers Arena. Recently, the flag bearer of the main political party in Nigeria, APC, Ahmed Bola Tinubu, nominated his running mate in the person of Shettima, the former governor of Borno State. Remember, Tinubu is a Muslim, Shettima is also a Muslim. Barely had the dust of his nomination settled in what is termed Muslim ticket, had another controversy arisen from the man's comment of ethnic bigotry, labeling the flag bearer of Labour Party, Peter Obi, as a would-be president of Igbo extraction. That means, in his word, that Peter Obi can only be president of the Igbos. And in return, another coalition youth movement has removed Shettima as their patron because, according to them, the statement credited to him in an interview that he granted one of the major television houses in Nigeria was kind of divisive and mark of ethnic bigotry. How many controversies has this man been associated with? Do you remember 2014? When the CHIBOK girls, more than 200 of them were kidnapped. It was alleged in a letter, Minister for State for Education, who is presently the governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, they got an information, an intel, that there will be insecurity in Borno State, particularly after one of the national schools was attacked by bandits. They wrote a letter. When the WAEC body, who is the body entrenched with the power to conduct school examinations for those living in the secondary schools, they wrote the three governors of that zone, Shettima inclusive, warning him of the dangers ahead and advising him to move all the exam classes to a safe location, including CHIBOK girls. Shettima ignored that advice, and on the day that CHIBOK girls were kidnapped, the principal of that school was missing. His daughter, who was also a student of that school, was missing. They didn't show up. Whether it was by accident or by plan, only God knows, that time will tell. And only Shettima can tell. But after what became a curious appointment of faith, when the dust of the kidnap of CHIBOK girls had barely settled, Shettima, in his usual controversial manner, appointed the principal of CHIBOK girls, a commissioner in his administration, rewarding him probably for a job well done. Up to date, more than 100 of the Chibok girls have not returned home to their parents. Yet, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, despite the controversy surrounding this man, has nominated him as his running mate. Despite the hues and cries from others, from other religion, Christian and others, he has paid no heed to that. The only thing he did was to temporarily suspend his unveiling to the Nigerian people as his running mate. Bear in mind that this man was caught on tape with the former governor of Ogun State, Ibikun Amosun, discussing on how to emasculate the South-South and the South-East for their support for the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. If you listen to the tape, you will cry for Nigeria. How can you be talking about one Nigeria and you are nominating somebody who wants to divide? Somebody through his statements, countenance, and his bigotry statements or stance is planning on how to emasculate a particular ethnic group in Nigeria, a nation that claims to stand for unity. Then, if people are doubting the authenticity of that claim, all they need to do is to go and verify one of the things he said on the tape, that the current, I think, Minister for Works and Housing, Fashola, former governor of Lagos State, has refused to approve any current application from the Southeast or from the IGBOS demanding for a pharmaceutical company to be built in anywhere in Nigeria, that he has refused to approve that. Is that not enough? That if you are doubting, the records don't lie. Go and check. Remember, I'm not saying that it was true or not true, because some people have come up to say that that tape may not have been authentic. But the Ministry of Works and Housing still exists. Fashola is still alive. Let us go and cross-check the records to see if any approval has been granted to the people of Southeast, who are all dealers in pharmacy products. Because he claimed that, to back whatever he's saying, that the plan that has been in offing has already started manifesting. Then that aside, the flag bearer of the APC, Bola Tinubu, made up his campaign strategic planning committee. From the list I saw, no Igbo man was on the list. The closest was Abe Magnus from Rivers State. Remember that during his campaign time, Bola Ahmed Tinubu never found it wise to visit the Southeast. What he did was to invite them to Abuja to meet them, and good enough they turned it down. So if you add all these happenings, I want to hear you say, and know that if such a man as divisive as Shettima, former governor of Borno State, is worth to be on a ticket of anybody that preaches one Nigeria, I don't have anything against Muslim ticket. Because if the person is capable of delivering on the mandate of democracy to the people of Nigeria, alleviating the suffering of the masses, not somebody from his recent attack on Obi, he said that Obi is not capable or is incompetent or being the president of Nigeria because he will not continue on the legacy of the current president, Buhari. And I'm like, wow. Current legacy of Buhari? When dollar is more than 620 naira and the prices of foodstuff are skyrocketing. The scam called subsidy is still there. Corruption is still hitting the roof. Questionable characters are still in government. Insecurity is at top high. People cannot go to the farm and come back. Kidnapping going on. prison breaks, the bandits having a field day. Is that a legacy that we want to continue? I don't know. Let me know how you feel. Shettima says that Peter Obi is incompetent. Now, with all these things I've rolled out, let's say, who is incompetent? Is that the man who was warned that the CHIBOK girls may be kidnapped, and he ignored that warning? And after the kidnap of these innocent children, whose only crime was going to school, the man who would have been in charge of those girls, protecting them in the first place, the principal, in return was rewarded for being absent the day those girls were kidnapped, and he made sure that his daughter was not there. Is that the man that is competent to be on the ticket of the #1 seat of Nigeria? Just let me know how you feel. Let's know. Is Nigeria moving forward or backward? Is this man worthy of being on that ticket? I don't care what people say, that the vice president is a spare tire. Remember that if anything happens to the #1 person, the president of Nigeria, that man who is the vice president will be in charge. What will Shettima do with all this is conspiracy theories or stance? Will he divide Nigeria? Or will he stand up for one Nigeria? Already, he is tainted. In my view, I don't think that such a man should be on the ticket to be the president or vice president of Nigeria. I'm just saying that if you see something, say it, or you do something. Our PVC is our power. Tinubu said that the PDP, the Labour Party, all of them will labor in vain. What happened in Osun State? Has not Tinubu labored in vain? This is a sign of what to come in 2023. Remember that the masses are speaking. They are angry that the suffering is much on the land. Let's see how you feel in the comment section. And tell me, the recent visit of Peter Obi and his running mate Ahmed to the Ocha farms, is it a mark of endorsement from the former president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo? And the reaction of the northern youths, the Arewa northern youths, removing Shettima as their grand patron, I think should be commended, because that his comments through his interview showing his disdain for a particular section of the country by labeling Peter Obi as can only be the president of IGBOS. Is that not divisive? Is it worthy of clamoring or trying to be on the ticket to be in charge of a nation of Nigeria? I'm just saying, let's see how you feel. Who is incompetent? This man who sabotaged the safety of CHIBOK girls. If they were his own daughters, couldn't he have acted better? Are we moving forward or not? Well, let me know in the comment section. This is Chris Diggers in Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, please keep in touch. Thank you, and may God bless you.